Good morning, students. Welcome in our class. I am Dipali Gawai, ma'am, and I am B.Ed first year student. I am learning in my B.Ed college named Government B.Ed College Akola, and due to the internship, I have teach on your school. The school name is New English High School Akola. So, student, today we have teach on class 9 standard subjects English. So, my unit is poem or poetry. So, in this poetry unit, we have today student we have learned the subunit. Before that, I will ask some questions to you, and please you give me the answer of these questions. Okay, ready, student? So now tell me, which is the largest bird?
Ostrich.
Yes, very good. That is ostrich. Now tell me, which is the which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Yes, very good. That is Mercury. And now tell me, students, which is the largest planet?
Jupiter.
Yes, very good. That is Jupiter. And what we do, student, in this question?
We have completed.
We have compared it. Very good. That's we have compared it. So, students, today we have learned the subunit name comparisons. Okay. So, in this sentence, students, we have compared the things. We have compared some size, some shapes, and some the age, some colors, and some objects. So that's all are the things we have compared in this poem name comparisons. Okay. So in this comparison poem, students, now we have learned the poem name comparison, and in this comparison poem, students, we have say so many opposite words. Okay, there are so many opposite words are compared with each other, and that's why in the poem we have seen there are some rhymings are also in the poem. That's why here are some rhymings words are also present in this poem, as well as some rhyming words are also present in this poem, and some opposite words are also present in this poem. So firstly, students, we have read the poem loudly. In this poem, student, that is the textbooks of 9th standard, on the page number 34, there is a poem name comparison. So student, firstly I have read the poem, and after that you must follow it. Okay. So the first line of this poem, that is, fast as a spaceship,
Fast as a spaceship.
slow as a snail.
Slow as a snail.
Fast as a spaceship,
Fast as a spaceship.
slow as a snail.
Slow as a snail.
Big as a dinosaur,
Big as a dinosaur.
small as a nail.
Small as a nail.
Fierce as a tiger,
Fierce as a tiger.
gentle as a lamb.
Gentle as a lamb.
Sour as a lemon,
Sour as a lemon.
sweet as a jam.
Sweet as a jam.
Dry as a desert,
Dry as a desert.
wet as the sea.
Wet as a sea.
Square as a house,
Square as a house.
round as a pea.
Round as a pea.
Cool as a cave,
Cool as a cave.
warm as a toast.
Warm as a tongue.
Noisy as a road drill,
Noisy as a road tree.
quiet as a ghost.
Quiet as a ghost.
Strong as an ox,
Strong as an ox.
weak as kitten.
Weak as kitten.
Hard as a rock,
Hard as a rock.
and soft as a mitten.
And soft as a mitten.
Dark as a tunnel,
Dark as a tino.
light as a moon,
Light as the moon.
night the midnight,
Light the midnight.
daytime noon.
Daytime noon.
Tall as a jay,
Tall as a jay.
short as a elf.
Short as a elf.
Crook as a mountain path,
Crook as a mountain path.
straight as a sail.
Straight as a sail.
The word is full of opposites,
The word of full opposite.
so think of some yourself.
The think of ourselves.
Okay, students, so that is the poem. Now we have sing it loudly, and after that I will teach the meaning of this poem. Smart as a spaceship, slow as a snail. Fast as a spaceship, slow Big as a dinosaur and small as a snail. Fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb. Sour as a lemon and sweet as the jam. Dry as the desert, wet as the sea. Square as a house and round as a pea. Cool as a cave and warm as a toast. Noisy as a road drill and quick as a ghost. Strong as an ox, weak as a kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tune, light as the moon, night the midnight and daytime noon, tall as a gate, short as an elf, crook as a mountain path, straight as a self. The world is full of opposites, so think or sum yourself. So, student, that is the poem, and now we have sing it. Now, students, we have see some words or some are the lines of this poem. So, firstly, we have read a first line of this poem. In this poem, there are says, fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail. We know the astronaut, they are going to the space through the spaceship because the speed of spaceship is so fast. It is fast. So there is comparison a spaceship with fast. So if we need to go everywhere, that is the best and all the fastest vehicles instrument, that is called as spaceship. Okay, so spaceship is the fastest. Same as here, compare the speed between two objects. First one is spaceship. Spaceship is so fast, and second one, it is compared with the animal named snail. Snail is so slow. He is walking so slow. That's why here say slow as a snail. Snail is a little animal, a little insect like it is called, and it is walking so slow. So here, students, compare the two things about speed. What is the speed is fastest, that is spaceship, and what is slow, that is snail. So here is the opposite word named fast and slow. So we write down the first opposite words, that is F-A-S-T, fast, opposite slow. Okay. Then the third line, fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail. Next one, that is big as a dinosaur. We know the animal named dinosaur is the largest animal, but now it is disaster. It is, we cannot see it because it is destroyed. So the animal dinosaur is the largest in size. So it is a largest animal. It is called as a dinosaur. Then it is small. If we compare, the dinosaur is the big. And what is the small? That is, a small is our nail. The nail, it is so small. So here also compares two things. It is in size. It is compare the size, that the dinosaur is big and a snail is small. Here we compare the size of these objects, that the dinosaur is small and nail is small. Okay, so here compare big and small. So opposite word, it is big, and second one, that is small. Big, and here second opposite word, that is small. So student, here again we have see a rhyming words. There is snail, a small animal, and nail. So here again a rhyming word, that is snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail, and the rhyming word is N-A-I-L, nail. So here again a rhyming word. Next students, the next lines in the poem, that is says fierce as a tiger. Fierce as a tiger and gentle as the lamb. We know the tiger is very attractive animal. He was attacked. He is a carnivore. So he eat flesh of other animals. So he was attacked any animal. Here we have see a nature of this animal. We know tiger is very fierce. Means he is attacking. And same as the lamb. Lamb is the baby of sheep. Lamb is so gentle. So here again a rhyming word that is fierce and second one that is gentle. So the spelling of fierce, student, it is ya. We have write down here third rhyming word that is FIERCE. Fierce opposite gentle. GENTLE. It is gentle. So here fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Then sour in a lemon, sour as a lemon and sweet as jam. Again here compare the two things about taste. Taste that we eat after we feel it with the help of our tongue. It is called as taste. So the taste of lemon is sour and the taste of jam is sweet. So here compare two things, sour and sweet. So here again opposite word about taste that is sour opposite sweet, sweet opposite sour. And again students here also a rhyming word. First is fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Then second one that is sour as a lemon and sweet as a jam. So lamb and jam, that is the rhyming word. It is LAMB, lamb. Lamb is the baby of a sheep and here a jam. Okay, so jam that we eat with the bread, it is called as jam. Second one students, in the third stanza there is a dry as a desert, wet as a sea. We have compared here two things that is dry and wet. Means it is there is no water, it is called as dry, and when it is full of water it is called as wet. So dry as a desert and wet as a sea. Square as a house, we know the shape of our house is square. So square as a house and round as a pea. Okay, the pea means a seed of pea. It is called as pea. So in this it is rounded in shape. So it is a square as a house and round as a pea. Here again compared to sizes, that is square and second one is circle. So here students the rhyming word it is SEAC and PEAP. So the third rhyming word that is SEAC and PEAP. Again here opposite word that is WET, wet, opposite DRY, dry. Okay, so here again two opposite words. Now we have learned a next stanza of the poem that is cool as a cave. We know the cave where the tiger and lion lives. Okay, so this cave, inside of the cave are so cool. Okay, it is so cool and same as the toast or the bread that we have it is a warm or hot. So here compare the temperature of two things. First one that is warm and second one that is cool. So here compare two things. It is temperature cool and warm or hot. We can call warm as a hot. So it is compare into temperatures. Next is noisy at the road drill. We know when we going in the roads there are drill. So the sound of drill is so noisy. And third one, that is quiet as a ghost. We know the ghosts are coming very slowly, very quietly. He doesn't make a noise. So here are the rhyming word, that is noisy as well as quiet. So quiet as well as noisy are the rhyming words. Number 5, that is noisy. N-O-I, noisy. Opposite, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. That means there is no sound. Okay, so it is quiet. Next one, students, that is called as cool and warm. So it is cool and warm. And here the rhyming words, that is called as, here the rhyming word, that is toast and ghost. So we write down the rhyming words here. Toast, T-O-A-S-T, toast, and G-H-O-S-T, ghost. So that is the rhyming word, students. Now we have seen our next rhyming word, that is strong as a ox. We know bull are the very strongest animals. So here compare the energy level of two animals, that is the strong as an ox or bull, it is too strong. Second one, weak as a kitten. Kitten means the baby of cat. The baby of cat are so soft, are so weak. So it is called as strong as a ox and weak as a kitten. So here compare the energy level or strongness, that is strong, weak, strong. So it is a rhyming word. Strong and S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, and opposite word is W-E-A-K, weak. Second one is, student, that is hard as a rock. Rock means the stone. The rocks are very, very strong. So it is strong or hard as a rock and soft as a mitten. Mittens means the socks or hand gloves that we wear in hands. It is called as mitten. So it is kitten, mitten. There is strong as a ox and weak as a kitten, then hard as a rock and soft as a mitten. So here kitten and mitten again are rhyming words. So we write down here a rhyming word, that is K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten, and M-I-T-T-E-N, mitten. So kitten and mitten, that's are the rhyming words, students. Next we have see a next word, that is called as dark as a tunnel. Dark as a tunnel and light as a moon. We know the light of moon is so bright, and in the tunnel there is so darkness. When we have see trains are going to the tunnel, we feel a darkness. So here dark as a tunnel and light as a moon, because the light of moon is so bright. So light as a moon. Here compare the brightness. Dark, light, dark. It is the again opposite word, dark and bright. And it is says as night time, midnight. The actual night, it is happened in 12 a.m. in the night. It is a midnight. And a day in a noon. When in afternoon we have seen, that is the day happened. So it is day as noon and night as midnight. So here moon and noon. Okay, moon and noon again is a rhyming words. Number 6, that is yarn, double O-N, moon, and yan, double O-N, noon. So it is moon and noon. Both are the rhyming words. Next student, that is tall as a gate. Gate means the haunted people. It is called as like a ghost. It is called as giant. So tall as a giant and short as a elf. Elf means angel. Good angel. It is called as elf. A-E-L, elf. So it is tall as a giant and short as a elf, crooked as a mountain path, because the road and the path and the way are going to the mountain. It is crooked. It is not straight. It is crooked. It is crooked in this shape. So crooked as a mountain path and straight as a self. Straight as a self. So students, here again a rhyming word, that is elf and shelf. Shelf means where we have keep every work in a proper straight lines. It is called as shelf. So here again a rhyming word, that is elf and self. Next students, in the last line the poet asks ourselves to use things in your mind and make another rhyming words, opposite words like him. So in the last line the poet says the word is full of opposite. The word is full of opposite. So think of some yourself. So you must think and ask me something, any others words like you. Okay student. So that is the poem named Comparison. So in this comparison poem we have compared some size, shapes, age of the poet. So students, now we have learned the we have compared some things. Now I have asked some questions related of these chapters. Opposite words, that is fast, slow. Okay. So students, in this poem we have learned comparison of two things like a comparison of age, comparison of temperature, comparison in shape, comparison in size, and comparison in color. So that are the things we have learned in this poem. So students, we have learned the poem named Comparison. Next students, I would like to ask some questions related to this poem. So students, now tell me the answer of these questions. That is, what is compare with light? What is compare with light, students? That is, we have compares with light feathers. Very good, because the feathers or the pieces are very, it is very light. The weight is so, it is so light. That's why it is called as, it is light as feather. Then second one student, which is the sweetest thing?
Honey.
Which is the sweetest thing? That is
Honey.
honey, because the taste of honey is so sweet. And the last question, that is, what is black as
Coil.
coal? Very good, that is coal. Coal is so black. If you fold it, if you mix it, then the mixture is looks like just as black. So we compare black as coal, sweet as honey, cunning as a fox. So that's are the against comparisons we have as students related to this comparison. That's we have says ki cunning as a fox, because fox is so cunning animal. Then we have compares that is a sweet as honey. Then we have say light as feathers. Then we have compare again a black as a coal. Then we have say a white as a snow. Okay, so there are so many comparisons we can ask you. Okay, so students, I hope that you understand the today's class that is related to comparison. Now students, write down the homework, and the homework for you, that is, write down rhyming words. You must, here I have see some rhyming words, that is fast, slow, big, small, and another this. You also tell me some rhyming words. So student, the homework is write down rhyming word. Write down the first word. The first word, that is inward. Second word student, that is called a cheap. Third one, it is decent, then sweet, beautiful, and last that is new. So that's are the words, and you must say the opposite meaning of these words. Okay, so I hope students you like, enjoy, and better understand the poem name Comparisons. Okay students, so thank you so much.